The first way is to check on your own email account. You might want to check any email that you got from TurboTax, especially about your purchase and payment regarding the TurboTax. You may search on your email with Intuit or TurboTax as the keywords. Also, do not forget to check your email spam. The second way is to check on the order confirmation screen. It's when you order or purchase the TurboTax desktop. You might have a screenshot of the screen. And the third way is you want to signing into your TurboTax account under TurboTax.com. Please make sure that you signing into the TurboTax account that you used to purchase the package of TurboTax desktop. After that, click License and Download. And this right here are your TurboTax license code, 16 digits license activation code for TurboTax desktop. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.